So you want to use the whiteboard feature in Zoom? Let's get started. We all know what whiteboards are, but you can use Zoom to make them interactive. You can use these whiteboards in traditional synchronous or asynchronous meetings through a recording. This is good for the kinds of things you'd use a regular whiteboard for, like documenting key points in a lecture, but also for other things. You can model a practice for students or even upload an image and annotate it. To start, let's go to your Zoom program, open it up, and notice the whiteboard option at the top of the window. Click it. You can choose to use a template or create a blank whiteboard. One thing to keep in mind is that if you have a touchscreen computer, you'll have much more freedom to sketch. Take some time to explore your options. Hovering over the icon buttons will provide more information. I'm going to insert a templated element, a mind map. You can insert a variety of other pre-made objects too. Mind maps are great for explaining how concepts are related to each other. Use the whiteboard tools to fill it in and add content. You can type, drag and drop, write freehand, or add sticky notes. I think I got a little carried away here. Now that my mind map is solid, I want to add a new page to my whiteboard, then upload and annotate a related image. Once you've got a whiteboard you want to share or start recording, you'll want to start a Zoom meeting. You can invite students or not, depending on what you want to do. You may want students to have the whiteboard as a standalone object for use in an asynchronous course, for instance. Regardless, if you want a digital video of your activities, you'll need to record it, whether on Zoom or some other screen capture platform. You can use Zoom to get a picture-in-picture of your head too, if you want to use it as you talk. Just be sure to turn on your camera and adjust the settings you want. You can share your whiteboard for later exploration, whether or not you're creating a standalone video. Students can explore the whiteboard afterwards, for instance. Finally, there are two more ways you can access the whiteboard feature. First, you can log in to Zoom on the web with the single sign-on and select Whiteboard from the left-hand navigation pane. And second, you can create a whiteboard from within a Zoom session. Just go to the Whiteboard button at the bottom of your Zoom window. That should give you enough context to learn on your own now. Have fun!